Hello, this is Minghua Wang, and today we will continue with the sim simulations. And for today's topic is open door. So let's read the descriptions first. So our SOC team received a notification from a threat intelligence platform regarding leaked credentials for RDP access to the workstations of two employees, Amelia Wilson and William Brown, at our client TryHackMe. These credentials were discovered on a dark web marketplace. Our team is already in the process of notifying the client about this activity and providing recommendations for next steps, but no one knows what might happen in the meantime. So the scenario objective is monitor and analyze real-time alerts during the attack's lifecycle, identify key indicators of compromise, such as malicious file downloads and C2 communications, and close alerts with detailed description based on your observations to help the team understand the full scope of the breach. Okay, so we have 17 alerts here. And before we start, let's go to the document and check the company information. So it's the company is an e-commerce company and that sells hats. Okay, we have all the employees here. We have the CEO and we have all the email, logged in host and workstation IP. We also have a server, a file server. We have the host name and IP address. There's also a restricted software list. Basically, all these softwares are not allowed in the company. So, and also we have the playbooks. So this one is going to be useful when dealing with the alerts. Okay, so let's go back. So as usual, I will start with high severity, but for this one, we just do alerts one by one. Let's start with the first one. So it's JIT repository clone activity detected. This alert detects activity related to cloning a JIT repository on the system, which can indicate that threat actors are deploying tools onto the system for further malicious action. So that is a JIT clone. So we have the command here. It's trying to clone the main project from TryHackMe. So this everything looks very standard. There's nothing that's like suspicious. Yeah, no. Okay, for this one, it's false positive. We have time here. List of affected entities. It's Amelia Wilson. And the reason for classifying as false positive because it's just a clone, a JIT clone for main project. Submit and close alert. Because if I remember clearly, Amelia Wilson is DevOps, and the other one that's have their credential leaked is also a DevOps. So it's William Brown and Amelia Wilson. Okay, so let's go back. Let's check the next alert. It is a high severity one. It's on real travel activity detected. So for this one, it's William Brown. So let's see. We have the source network address, and the remote host is the Win 1102. and the login was successful. Log on. So I will check the source IP on VirusTotal. As we can see, it is marked as malicious. The IP is malicious, and we can go to detail and see the country. It is from India. So we already know that this is very bad. This is a successful login attempt by malicious actor. So I would write it's true positive. And we have the time here. And affected entity, user, William Brown. Reason for classify as true positive. Successfully logged on attempt by malicious actor. Reason for escalating the alert. Same, yeah. I will also put the source IP address. Recommended remediation. Isolate in 1102 ASAP and reset William Brown's password. Check the system. List of attack indicators. Logged on by India IP. Does this alert require escalation? Yes. Okay, so let's check the next one. We have a suspicious PowerShell command detected. Wait, let's check the playbook first. Unusual malicious. At this one. Let's see if we missed anything. Yeah. Login time review. We already have that. It's okay. Yeah, we already checked. IP address is from India. The IP address. So check the IP address on Splunk. Okay, let's see. Check the IP address login history in Splunk. And the following, you should be. I mean, we already know that this is a malicious attempt, but we can still check the IP just in case. But there's only one event. But there's only one attempt at the moment. Okay. So, I mean, yeah, because it's already successful, so they don't need more attempt. Let's see. Suspicious PowerShell command detected. This alert detects suspicious PowerShell commands on the system, which can have been executed by a threat actor for specific malicious purposes. So we have Amelia Wilson and his PowerShell writes host starting CI/CD pipeline. This reads regular DevOps stuff. It is also from there's nothing that's suspicious, yeah? Also, the system is not compromised at all. Okay. The right case report, false positive, affected entity, it is Amelia Wilson. Reason for classifying as false positive, regular DevOps commands. Submit and close alert. Okay, let's see the next one. Discovery commands usage detected. Description: this alert detects spikes in the execution of discovery commands like net local group. Huh. So it's the username is William Brown, which we already know that it is compromised. So and the executable information is here. Net local group administrators. The hacker is trying to get all the account informations. So it's right after, like the time is 1:50, yeah. And the previous one is 1:44. So obviously this one is a like a malicious attempt at getting the local group informations. So discovery commands usage detected. Let's check the playbook. Unusual travel, unusual network. But this one is not in the playbook, but it's okay. We already know that this is true positive. Okay, affected entity is William Brown. Again, reason for classifying as true positive. William Brown account is compromised a few minutes ago, and this is an attempt at net local group. Okay, reason for escalating the alert. Account compromised. Need action ASAP. Isolate system and account. Reset password. I mean, so basically it means that the hacker already got all the informations, yeah? Oh no, yeah. Need escalation, yes. Okay, submit. Let's see the next one, suspicious PowerShell command. This is for Amelia Wilson. Let's see, PowerShell command write host start DevOps host history create virtual machine using Hyper-V. Okay, memory start. This one is also okay. It's just trying to create a virtual machine. Also, there's no indication of this system getting compromised, so it's okay. Let's see the time here, and let's see, affected entity, it is Amelia Wilson. Virtual machine creation, nesting suspicious. Submit and close alert. Okay, let's see the next one. Unusual network share access detected. It is from a new person, Edward Harris. Let's check company information. Edward Harris. It is also a DevOps. Okay, let's check the playbook. See, unusual network share access detection. So let's see. We have whether the process name or hash is associated with unknown. Okay. If the process was launched on unusual path, user account unusual follows determine whether the access the share is local. Okay, let's go back to the alert here. Let's assign it unusual network share access. So it's Edward Harris. It is project reference Q4. We know that this is Edward is from DevOps, and let's see. It's from system 32, so it's good too. It's trying to access the file server for project reference Q4. I don't see anything that's too suspicious. I mean, I can check. Yeah, it's okay. False positive. Affected entity is also the person's account is not leaked or anything. Yeah. Also, there's no logon history from any other place, and the person is also related to project reference, so it's okay. Access to project reference is no big deal. Submit and close. Let's see the next one. Potential suspicious certitile command detected. Okay, let's assign it. This alert detects the execution of certitile command commonly used for downloading files from external sources. William Brown, we already know that this account is compromised. Wait a minute. So we have the command here. Let's check the IP on VirusTotal. This is a clean Amazon IP. So for something like this, which I'm not sure, I would feed the report to AI. Alert represents a high confidence indicator of using, yeah, no spawn indicator of compromise. I see. Yeah, it's kind of obvious. Why would they need to download a software update by using Certitile? It's not, it's true positive. So we have the affected user here. We have time. Reason for classifying as true positive account compromised, suspicious, download via what's the tool? Certitile. So the file is downloaded, so file download. As before, isolate the system ASAP, block, reset account password, and check the system for malicious files. Attack indicators. I will just put the command that was executed. So does this alert require escalation? Yes. So let's see the next one. Uncommon network port activity. Detect William Brown again. Connection. Let's assign it. So source IP. Check source IP first. It's okay. Destination IP. It's okay too. Certitile. Where's the port information? Let's see. I need some help. Connects the previous processor. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. So it's trying to connect and download. It's the same. True positive. These two alerts is from the same action, from the same certitile down the malicious file download. So affected user William Brown. Malicious file download the same. Again, reason for escalating. Compromise account. Recommended remediation actions basically just isolate system again, reset account password, and check for malicious in the system. List of attack indicators. Compromised account, basically. Does this alert require escalation? Yes. Suspicious script download via. Okay, let's see this one. It's from Edward Harris. It's PowerShell execution policy bypass command, invoke web request, install Terraform. This command seems fine, but I still need AI to verify for me. It's ak.ms, point to an official shortcut for Terraform. So let's see. Honestly, this one seems okay. But what's Terraform? Widely used infrastructure as code. Allows you to define and manage cloud and on-premises resources. On-premises resources. So this one seems okay. It's trying to download stuff from Microsoft server, so it's fine. False positive. Edward Harris from DevOps department. Reason for classifying false positive. Terraform download from Microsoft. Submit and close alert. Let's see the next one. Wait a minute. Let's check. I remember there's a restricted software. Turbo VPN, Express VPN, streaming services, game Dropbox. Okay. So basically some browser, some VPN, streaming and game, and also this is the cloud storage, ad blocker, Adobe. Okay, let's go back. Let's check this one. Potential task scheduler persistence identified. It's William Brown again. Action. Task action is trying to so it's trying to execute this file every day. And we already know this file is malicious. And like and it's trying to call it daily update. Update what? We don't know. Okay, right case report. True positive. I mean, all these alerts are from the same. If there's any way I can put all these alerts into the same group, I don't think that's possible. But it's fine. So we put the time here. Affected entities, again, William Brown. Can we kick this account off already? Reason for classifying as true positive. daily scheduler for suspicious file. So reason for escalating the alert. Again, isolate the system ASAP. Block or reset account. And check for suspicious files on the system. Oh, I mean, this is for remediation. Reason for escalating the alert. Compromise the system with suspicious file downloads. Attack indicators compromise the system. Does this alert require escalation? Yes. So let's see the next one. Restricted software execution detection. Okay, let's go. See, this one is Isabella Smith. Let's go to the company information. Isabella Smith is marketing. It's marketing and it's trying to launch Turbo VPN. Turbo VPN. What's this? On the Turbo VPN, yeah. So let's see if true positive, true false. Okay, let's go back to the alert. Parent Explorer. Let's check if this this file is executed successfully. Really? Stop the tunnel. The VPN connection itself is the highest priority. And identify the network socket associated with process. Let's go to SIM. Process ID 10004. Wait, there's nothing? Maybe I need to restart my SIM. Yeah, let's go to false positive, because was this thing, was the Turbo VPN launched successfully or no? That's what I'm trying to know. So So I guess the turbo VPN is restricted, but it's not blocked by the system. So I guess I will have to write true positive. We put time here. Affected entity Isabel Smith. Reason for class launch restricted software turbo VPN. Talk to the user to stop using turbo VPN. Recommend the remediation action. Yeah, basically that. I feel like it's the same. Turbo VPN. Restricted software. Does this alert require escalation? Yes. Let's see the next one. Potential suspicious certain command detected again from William Brown. And he's trying to download Sharphound process creation. Let's see if there's anything else. This is also at the same time. William Brown. And these two alerts are from the same time. Let's see the next one. Uncommon network port activity detected. Again. Sharphound. Let's feed this one to AI. See what it thinks. Extremely high priority development. The adversary has moved from general payload potent tool used by threat actors to map our Active Directory. Okay. Okay. True positive. Again, can we take action on this account already? Clearly it's doing too much already. Time downloading malicious files. Compromise the system, downloading malicious files. Again, block the system. Isolate the system, block the account. Reset the account. Check the system for malicious files. And reason for indicator of attacks, basically this one. Does this alert require escalation? Yes. Okay, we have 4 more. Non-hacker tool execute. Don't tell me it's the Sharp Hound or whatever. Let's see. I know this one. I think I saw this before. masquerade as Visual Studio. Yeah, it's trying to launch. No hacker tool execution on the system using threat intelligence insights. This alerts detects. So this one, William Brown. Also this one. This one is not William Brown, so it's okay. It's these two. Yeah, it's trying to execute the hacker tool. So it's the same. Write case report. We have time. List of affected entity. Reason for classifying true positive. Malicious files masqueraded as Visual Code Studio. Trying to launch again compromised system with malicious files. This is already way too much. Again, isolate system, reset account, check system for malicious files. Attack indicators. Does this alert require escalation? Yes, yes, sir. Okay, two more. This one is Isabel. Okay, this one is still William Brown again. Let's take Isabel Smith. Project results. Isabel Smith is from marketing department. So she accessing project results is okay. And it's just trying to. No, it's okay. False positive. Isabel Smith accessing from 2 years ago. Marketing team. Okay, submit it close and check the last one. It is by William Brown. Again, this alert detects suspicious network discovery activities such as execution of multiple ping commands. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's pinging. Yeah, it's pinging this IP. What's this IP? So basically everything here. So yeah, just true positive time. It's basically the malicious actor is trying to ping all the local systems. Affect the entity with a brown. Systems reason for escalating compromised system. an account. Again, compromise system, isolate the system, reset the account, and check for malicious files. List of attack indicators that it's trying to ping everything. Does this alert require escalation? Yes. So it's done. It is victory. Let's wait for the results. Everything is correct. All the true positive, correct, false positive, correct. Every alert requires 2 minutes. So it's not bad. It's okay. On average. So thank you.